yet. Time as a linear construct does not apply to this place. I mean, is it because I never truly believed that was time's true nature and this place is reacting to my thoughts, or some other more fundamental reason? I don't know. That said, to the best of my calculations, subjectively, this is my day 665. It's a long time. I have explored every conceivable avenue of research, exhausted every scientific method of investigation I know. It's all dead ends. I feel like I need something else. Something else entirely. Some mad, creative mindset to help me. I'm not a scientist, an artist. This is a place for an artist. Oh. Well.
Hey, man, how you doing?
Hello. Darling, Dr. Casper, darling, it is so good to meet you.
Well, hello, darling. I'm Tom. Tom Zane.
Have we met? You look familiar.
Well, you sound familiar. Hold on. You work out a lot, don't you? I mean, look at you. You're swole.
Well, I am active.
Yeah.
You wouldn't happen to know a way out of here, would you?
A drink?
Oh, cheers.
Keep it. You know what? You and I, we should join forces. Come up with a plan for escape. Art and science combine to form an unstoppable force.
Yes. Yes!
Yes!
We have to start to methodically test and eliminate various works of art within bounds of which you could wildly improvise.